Hi, fifth grade. Today we're going to learn about opinions and facts. Let's start here. What is a fact? Fact is something that has been proved to be correct. Remember this word, correct. Fact, correct. Say right, say for an instance, an example could be, my name is Ayan and I am 25 years old. That's a fact. That's correct. That's my name and I am 25 years old. Let's do an opinion. What does an opinion mean? Let's go over the definition. A judgment that is formed by someone that is not a fact. Say, for instance, an example would be me saying, my favorite color is blue. That's my own judgment. That's my own opinion. So if my favorite color is blue, your favorite color could be pink. It doesn't necessarily mean it's wrong to have the color pink as your favorite color, but that's your own opinion. So it's just your own judgment. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's wrong. Your favorite color cannot be pink or blue. It just means it's an internal opinion. Let's do an example here about facts and opinion. Dogs are better to have as pets because their lifespan is 10 to 12 years. This is the writer's opinion. Dogs are better to have as pets. That's someone's opinion. Some people might say cats are better to have as pets or rabbits are better to have as pets. Everyone has a different opinion what kind of animal they think is better to have as pets. But the fact here is that their lifespan is 10 to 12 years. That is the fact. This can be proven by data that has been done. We're going to go over some examples of opinions now. A lot of people like to play outside rather than staying indoors. Okay, that's someone's opinion. It doesn't necessarily mean that a lot of people play outside rather than staying inside. Some people might like indoors instead of outside. I have the best siblings in the whole wide world. That's my opinion. Someone could say, no, you don't have the best siblings in the whole wide world. Your brother is mean or your sister is mean, but that's their opinion. It doesn't necessarily mean that I'm saying they're the best people in the whole wide world. That's my opinion. That's what I believe. That's what I've seen. I've never lived in another person's house for me to know what kind of person their siblings are. They are just opinions. Pizza is everyone's favorite color. That's another opinion. Everyone's favorite color is not, everyone's favorite food is not pizza. Some people might like to eat rice or pasta or something else could be their favorite food. That's just my opinion. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's wrong, but it could be wrong actually. Not everybody in the whole world could actually like pizza. Some people might be allergic to the tomato and some people might just not eat pizza at all. Math is my favorite subject. Some people will say, yep, that's true. Math is my favorite subject. But that's my opinion again. That's a personal judgment. It doesn't necessarily mean everybody's favorite color is purple. Where did I get the favorite color purple? I'm talking about math. Math is my favorite subject. That means that is my opinion. Some people might hate math, but I like math. So math is my favorite subject. That's my opinion. Homework is not important. Some people might disagree, some people might agree, but again, that's an opinion. My dog only plays with kids. He doesn't like adults. This cannot scientifically be proven, so that's my own opinion, something I observed, something that I think is happening. Therefore, it's an opinion. Let's do some examples of facts. Mall of America is 9.5 million square feet. That has been proven. That is correct. Therefore, that's a fact. Rats multiply so quickly that in 28 months, that's 28 months, sorry about the error, we all make mistakes, 2 rats can have over 1 million descents. That's a fact. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. That's a fact. I didn't even know that. I recently learned that. Giraffes have no vocal cords. Kangaroos can't fart. That's a fact. That's something that has been proven. Now let's try some examples together. Facts or opinion? Jellyfish, as scientists call them, have no brain, heart, and no bones. Is that a fact or an opinion? See, when you see the word scientist somewhere, it's most likely to be a fact because scientists are the ones who prove that these things are true to us. The earth is so beautiful. Some people might say, no, it's a nasty, gross place. Others might say, no, it's such a beautiful place. But again, that could be either a fact or an opinion. But for us right now, we're going to go over the answer soon. But the earth is so beautiful is an opinion. Children who eat their vegetables never get sick. Is that a fact or an opinion? I have a child. He eats his vegetables and he still gets sick. So that is an opinion. Humans cannot breathe and swallow at the same time. That has actually been proven to be true. So that means it's a fact. Pigs cannot eat bananas. Is that a fact or an opinion? That is definitely an opinion because I don't know what. I know a lot of foods that pigs can eat, but that's just someone's opinion. It has not been proven. We don't know that for a fact. I've seen pigs eat bananas. And here is just where we go over our answers. Jellyfish, as scientists call them, have no brains, which is a fact. The earth is beautiful is an opinion. Children eat their vegetables, never get sick is an opinion. Humans cannot breathe and swallow at the same time is a fact. Pigs don't like eating bananas is an opinion. So now we're going to do a little activity at the end. I just want to know that you guys know how to do this. So I want you guys to try this Kahoot activity. I'm going to show you guys how to do it quickly. I'll just show you guys a little preview. It just asks these questions and I want them answered, and it'll show me on my end how you guys did. We just want to review and make sure that these things are something that we are understanding before we move on to our next lesson.